Sam originally started to create her workshops because she found that there is so much to learn in the world of signage and there's no training. So our one side is product sales and the other side is workshops and training. Me and Sam predominantly work in the training side, and then Katie and Zoe work in the product side, selling some really fun, cool signage. We jumped on and started to create these workshops, and our aim is, specifically for mine, the first drill, is to just give newcomers like a boost of confidence, so when they're speaking to clients they have that feeling that they're the expert and that they can really advise their client on what they should do. So in the first drill we have a really big day with a mixture of lots of different bits about signage. We touch upon artwork, we touch upon different products and materials, we touch upon medias like, your vinyls. We get a bit practical, so that you can get a bit hands-on and see how it feels to do certain things production wise. So we discuss like illumination, we discuss different options, terminology, again all them little elements just to give you that feel for it. And when somebody asks you a question who doesn't know anything about signage, you can say, well, maybe you mean this, or maybe this is what you want. So we've got the Signage Bootcamp, which is really good fun. It's all product based, so you learn a lot about your fabrication, your illumination. There's like a hands-on section. It's very terminology based and it is a lot of information, which is amazing, and I think it's a really good step after doing the first drill, maybe 6 months to a year later, where you've got that base knowledge and then you can go and like build on that knowledge. And we've got the front line, which is a sales course, which is very like discussion based, and everyone usually really pitches in on that one, kind of their ideals in regards to sales, how you use your social media, how you speak to your customers, how to be the difference. I fell into this industry from being a creative type, so I'd always worked with people and I'd always worked in fun creative environments. I found a love for graphic design, and when looking around I saw that signage needed graphic designers, and I fell into it that way and just completely fell in love with it and realised that there's a lot to do, there's a lot going on, and it's a really fun industry to be in. I found that I jumped into the industry, but we were a little company, so I was jumping in and out of sales as well, and I hated when someone asked me a question and I couldn't confidently answer. Whereas with a workshop like the first drill, frontline or signage bootcamp, them little bits that you do remember really aid you and make you sound more confident on the phone when speaking to your customer. And I mean, you never will know everything about signage, it's hard, but it just gives you that edge that you didn't have before. A lot of the people that I've spoke to have ended up in signage because of graphic design, creativity or sales, but we want to show the younger generation through training how fun and exciting it can be. It's a really creative industry, and I just think that really needs to be out there so that people know it's a fun place to be, it's a fun world to be in. You can be creative and you get to see things that you've created or you've worked on, like massive, and that was big for me. So we do workshops every month. We have obviously our first drill, frontline, bootcamp, and you can find that on our website, which is Make It Happen Signage Consultancy. Just go to bookings and it will tell you all the different dates. You can book for when suits you. If you want more information, give us a call. We're always there to help you out and help guide you on what training course is best for you.